Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing well. This is Dr. Roma Smart Joseph presenting part 2 for teaching strategies and methods. In the last video, we saw how to teach is the biggest challenge for a teacher. But by planning a proper strategy and choosing proper methods, we can make our teaching useful and fruitful. So in this video, shall we talk more about strategies and methods? So now let us try to distinguish between the method and the strategy. So the first difference between the teaching method is that method is the effective presentation of specific contents of a subject in a way so that they are properly understood and grasped by the students, whereas a strategy stands for the creations of appropriate teaching learning environment leading to help the students in the realization of the set teaching learning objectives. Teaching method is more of a pedagogy, whereas teaching strategy contains more elements of educational technology. Teaching method depends on the nature of the subject matter. It is the subject matter that decides the selection of a method for carrying out teaching tasks, whereas it is the teaching learning objectives that decides the selection of a suitable teaching strategy. Now moving further, distinguishing teaching methods from teaching strategies, we can say that the effectiveness of a teaching method is evaluated in terms of mastery over the subject matter by using achievement test. Talking in terms of teaching strategy, we can say that the effectiveness of a teaching strategy is evaluated in terms of the realization of the set objectives, and to evaluate the same, we can use criteria referenced tests. This is how we can say that the teaching method is rigid, whereas teaching strategy are flexible. Teaching method is all about methodology, where teacher has to keep in mind each and every step of the method and has to present the same while presenting the subject content to the learners. Teaching strategies are quite flexible as there are chances of modification to best achieve the objectives of learning. More difference between the two is that in teaching method, along with following a method and a methodology, we use teaching techniques and aid materials for effective implementation of the same, whereas teaching strategy is more comprehensive and it may use methods, techniques, aids, equipments and tactics. Sometimes we see that the difference between the two, the method and the strategy, is quite narrow because both of them serve to make teaching effective as much as possible. We would see in the forthcoming videos that lecture, demonstration, question answer, problem solving, heuristic or project are kept in the methods as well as in strategies. However, the line of demarcation is quite clear. All of these may be referred to as strategies when they are utilized as a means for the realization of a well-defined objectives. However, when their role is limited just for the presentation of the subject matter, they serve only as a mode and hence referred to as methods, not as strategies. In the next video, we'll learn about types of strategies. Till then, stay safe.